How to make Italian Torta della Nonna. Torta della Nonna, or grandmother's cake, is a classic Italian dessert that is known for its rich and creamy filling and buttery crust. This dessert is a true representation of Italian cuisine. Ingredients. For the crust: 200 grams all-purpose flour, 100 grams unsalted butter, at room temperature, 70 grams sugar, 1 egg, ½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt. For the filling: 500 milliliters whole milk, 100 grams sugar, 60 grams all-purpose flour, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, zest of 1 lemon. Directions. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the butter and work it into the flour mixture with your fingers until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Add the egg and mix until the dough comes together. Shape the dough into a ball and wrap it in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the filling. In a saucepan, heat the milk until it begins to steam. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, and egg yolks until light and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and lemon zest. Pour the hot milk into the mixing bowl with the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens. Remove Fr. Roll out the chilled dough on a floured surface until it is 1/4 inch thick. Transfer the dough to a 9-inch pie dish and trim the edges. Pour the cooled filling into the crust and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake the torta in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. Let the torta cool to room temperature before serving. Dust with powdered sugar and garnish with fresh berries if desired.